off, load up my scan tool, and go to a computer, guys. We're gonna see what it says. All right, so stay tuned, man. Don't go anywhere. Let's go head over to the computer. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna go to a quick ad break, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm here at the computer. Whoa, a lot of yellow over here. Okay, let's see what's going on. What we want to look at is TPM. What is that? It stands for tire pressure monitor. Okay, the tire pressure monitor module. Let's see what fault code we have in DTC. Okay, we have a yes. Okay, the dash is doing what it's supposed to do, which is to alert the driver that either the tire pressure is low or the tire pressure sensor is faulty. In this case, this is active, guys, which means this computer sees this problem right now. C1501. All right, and we got another code here for a U code, bus communication code, CAN-C bus. Okay, there's something else going on with that because that is stored. All right, but for the most part, sensor 1 is y'all see that? Internal failure. So what that means, there's nothing you can do but replace it. No matter how much air you add into it, it's dead. It's internally shorted. The only remedy for it is to replace it. So I will have to go up to the parts department and price one out. And again, guys, based on this name, tire pressure sensor 1, should we always assume that sensor 1 is the driver's side front? It's hard to say, guys. Imagine if you rotate your tires, will this change? I'm sure the module will pick up where each sensor is located at and make its necessary adjustment, but I've never done that. I've never experienced with that. This would be a good experiment to do. Okay, well, guys, there's nothing else for me to do here except go price one out and get it replaced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is head over to the parts department. All right, first let's get a visual look at this tire and see if there's anything visual not right. Let's walk over to the car. Okay, according to the computer, this is the tire 1. This is the driver's side. I had her pull up and backwards so I can see if there's any nails in it, but that don't really matter, guys, because it's not a low tire pressure issue. It's a internal sensor issue. All right, so I have to replace this, and the only way to do that, guys, you got to bust the tire down. You got to take it over to the tire machine and bust it down, which will be a perfect time for me to finally get around to rotating them. Of course, you got to come up off the ground, so when I do that, I'm just going to merely bring the front to the rear and the rear to the front. Okay, so I'm not sure if these things are expensive or not. I have never paid for one. I don't have any cars, my personal cars, none of them that new, or I don't never bother with getting it fixed, and that's bad. So let me shut up. That system was put in place for a reason, guys. Okay, it's a safety issue. All right, so make sure your tires are at proper level. All right, so let me go to the parts department and see how much these tire pressure monitors cost. All right, I'm gonna go to another quick ad break. When I get back, we're gonna possibly be changing this. All right, I figure I can no big deal. All right, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. Have my journey back in here. Y'all remember the tire light on, and that sensor is dead. Now here's the Lord, and I really can't blame her, because one of these was like 70 bucks at the dealer. I think she got all four, I don't know, 30 bucks, 40 bucks, which begs the question of quality. Is it quality? I don't know. I mean, these things have only but one job: to report back to the computer what the pressure is. Now, I'm not going to replace all four. I'm just going to replace this one dead one, which means I have to take the wheel off, the tire off, bust the tire, and install this. And simply, there's several ways you can reset it. You can merely go drive it, go around the block, maybe 3 or 4 miles. It will reset on its own. Or you can use a computer tire pressure monitor computer setup and do it, but a test drive would be sufficient. So yeah, I'm not gonna do all 4 of these. I don't feel like busting all these tires down. At least you'll have 3 on standby if you know, if need be. Okay, again, guys, I don't know the quality of these, so please don't ask me. You can ask me how it work out for me a month from now, but for now I do not know. I do know they out the market. I do know they was fairly inexpensive. All right, so let's get this wheel busted and get this tire pressure monitor replaced. All right, guys, let's get it. Alright guys, I got it on. New tire sensor on there. So let's see how the computer deal with resetting it. Does it do it automatically, or you may have to actually drive it? Okay, we got it started. Now let's see what comes up. Mile per hour. I can assume the tire pressure module is looking, okay, service tire pressure. Okay, I will have to drive it. So let me go around the block, and that should go off. Even that blinking tire light. That oil change, I'm gonna reset that when I turn the car back off. Because I changed the oil, I just didn't bother to reset it. And by the way, I'm sure y'all know how to reset it. Press the gas pedal. Turn the key on, press the gas pedal 3 times, I think it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna go around the block, and the goal is to get that light to stop flashing. That means the tire pressure system is working as designed. So I will check back with y'all later when that's gone, and then we can wrap this video up. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I just started it up. As you can see right here, no more tire light. So I actually drove 1 mile, no more tire light. Alright, this thing is fixed. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.